you'll need something to say that that's not permitted by your policy, obviously. Who assumes the responsibility of payment of taxes such as income tax and VAT? That's something that you'll need to discuss with accountants and solicitors as needed. Buying through own links. If somebody wants to purchase a product through their own affiliate link, how is that handled? They must not present misleading information about your product, obviously. That's something else you need to put in. Personally, I don't allow people to deep link straight to order forms. That prevents them from putting up a sales page that may make misleading claims and passing them straight into my order form process rather than giving a chance for the user to see my sales literature before they click through to buy. So they will always at least see my sales page before they manage to click through to buy. Not using the affiliate program as a reason to buy your product. Yeah, this is in connection with pyramid sales, and especially if you're trading with PayPal. You're not allowed to have a system in place where the main purpose of a product sale is to build a pyramid sales scheme or a multi-level marketing scheme where you're promoting something along the lines of buy this product and then sell this product on to however many people, and you're going to get paid for it. You don't want people buying your product on a basis that they'll join an affiliate program and make money from it. You don't want that in your sales literature anyway, because it can get you into hot water. And you don't want any affiliates to use such tactics. You're right to change prices and terms from time to time. Affiliates must comply with all the relevant laws of their own country and your country. And what happens if the terms are broken? So you'll say something along the lines of the affiliation might be suspended or terminated completely, and payments of existing owed commissions would be discretionary, something along those lines. Chances are you'll never need it. I've got affiliate terms and commissions up, but I've never come across a case where I've had to stop someone from selling one of my products. Specific things that you need in sales page copy and testimonials. Certain regulations apply here. FTC regulations have come into being in the USA, and they state that any testimonials, any sales literature should declare average results and not exceptional results. So if you've got a product that has made one person £100,000 or dollars or whatever, but makes everyone else $50 or not much at all, then you would have to declare the average results and not the £100,000 or dollars that one person managed to make out of it. A disclaimer stating that the results are not typical is, as I understand it, considered insufficient for this purpose. You have to be able to prove claims, and these regulations will apply anywhere where a business has a connection with a USA entity, a nexus, as it's called, such as if you've got affiliates that market for you in the States, then you still need to comply with those regulations. Right, now that stuff isn't really all that interesting, I know. I'm sorry about that, but I think it was important to go through it because I think a knowledge of that stuff does mitigate a lot of the fear factors that stop you from getting set up with this sort of business. Customer support. I haven't written it in the mind map here, but a general piece of advice about customer support is anything you can do to reduce the amount of customer support you have to handle is a good thing. But that doesn't include not providing a customer support service at all. Email is a possible way of dealing with customer support issues, but it can be hard to keep track of. Threads, also email from customers can go inadvertently into the spam bin and that sort of thing. So I recommend help desk software. I use osticket.com. It gives a better impression to your customers and it installs reasonably quickly. Right, first I'm going to show you what my current help desk software looks like, which is an older version of Osticket that I installed using Fantastico. The reason I did that was simply that I couldn't find the source code anywhere at the time, but the source code is certainly available now. And I've seen other marketers using this exact same system. It's free and it does the job. You ask people to fill in their name, their email address, telephone if they wish. You can set up various departments, and you can get them to enter a subject and a message itself to indicate the priority of that should be applied to this specific matter. And then they can click on open a ticket and they'll get an email sent back to them with details, including a ticket number, and they can then use those details, fill them in here and click on view status, and they'll be able to see exactly the entire thread of a specific matter. So it's a nice easy system. I'll just show you what it looks like from an admin's point of view. You get to log in with a simple form here, and then you get most of these are quite old ones there, but if I just go into unanswered ticket, let's try this one. You can see it records the thread for you, and it keeps that maintained so that you get a chance to keep on top of your customer support issues that you have to deal with in a fashion that inspires confidence with users. Users might get the same problems you might if you just use email, but if you use something like Osticket, then things can go a lot better.